Hey everyone, Dulce here and you're watching Candy's Garden. If you want to know how I pickle my Piquin peppers the simplest, easiest way, stay tuned. So as you can see, I've already harvested quite a few peppers from this bush. I still have a little bit left to go. Let me go ahead and harvest that, and I will meet y'all inside in a sec. So here is the harvest. It's a pretty good amount. So what I'm going to do is rinse them off thoroughly. Alright, so after I've done thoroughly rinsed the Piquin peppers off, I will put it in a cup full of water just to make sure there is no debris that I need to take out before I place the Piquins in the jar. So let me go ahead, do what I gotta do, and I will show you the Piquin peppers in this jar. So here is what the Piquin peppers look like. They all fit inside this jar right here. It was a perfect fit. So then I will get this distilled white vinegar, 5% acidity, and that is all that I use in my pickled Piquin peppers. Let me go ahead and do that and show you the ending product. And this is what she looks like. Filled it all the way to the top. Well, there you have it, y'all. So make sure you label it, because this jar, the way you pickled it like this, will last a long time. I've got one since 2017 that I'm still trying to get through. Anywho, I hope you found this useful. If you're not yet a supporter of mine, won't you be so kind as to being one by subscribing? And of course, as always, love God because He loves you. And y'all have a nice day now. You hear? Bye.